As I mentioned before, you could find anything by searching on Microsoft Search, or you could click on Find and automatically navigation panel or pane will open. We have several sections such as the result of your text search, show based on pages or headings. Also, if I click on this find here, we have advanced find and go to, or you could simply click on this small arrow close to this magnifier, and we have options. We have advanced search, which our find and replace dialog box will open. We have 3 tabs here: find, replace, and go to. As I mentioned before, I'm not going so deep inside of this section for now, but I'm providing a separated chapter for this section fully. But let me close that. Let's say you have to search it first, okay, to highlight. And now on the page, navigating, there is no heading because we didn't define any heading style. And result, you could simply click and see one by one, or you could simply press Ctrl or Command F from your keyboard to open navigation. But if you want to access more searching options, you could click on this arrow again, advanced find. On the find, by default, you could search. Allow me to disable wildcard. I did check before, okay. And you could search anything. Let's say video. We have find next, one by one finding, or you could click on this icon here, find in current selection if you already selected, or main document. And under reading highlight, you could highlight them all, similar to navigation, to search them. But if you have some other conditions, you could open the more, and we have much more options. Search which part? Down, going to up from your current cursor, or all. And in the search, match case, it is important video with small v or capital V. Find whole words only. For example, let's say DEO and start clear highlighting and again highlight all. As you see, it's searching anything contain DEO. But if I enable find whole words, it's looking for whole words contain DEO, not part of your words. I have to clear first, okay. And as you see, nothing found. But let's try something else like the, highlight all, only the. But if I disable that, allow me to clear and again, it will find other THE like other, theme. But if I enable that, find whole words only, it is not searching part of your words. Clear and highlight all. You see, there is no theme selected. And if I now enable match case, only will find the with small letters. Clear and highlight all, only small. But if I type something like this with capital, clear and highlight, and as you see, I think I don't have any. I will talk about wildcard sound like and other stuffs later on, but also we have some special like paragraph, like M-dash, graphic, footnote marks, etc. And also on format.